Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for treestuff.com, and I am here in the assembly lab at DMM, and Denise is going to teach me how to assemble a carabiner. Let's do it. Denise, what do I do first? This is called the pusher?
Pusher into this. You see this end of the tail here?
Yeah, where the tail wraps.
So you've got to put it on top.
In line with the black seam, with the injection seam?
No, back.
Got it. Okay, because it leans down. We can see how it's leaning slightly down. So I've installed the pusher into the spring. I've aligned this the way she's got it.
Put it into
I'm going to secure the pusher behind.
and pull it down. No, you've got to put it back.
Oh, from the other, I got it, yep. Okay.
Pull it down.
Show me again. How did she do that? She said pull it down, yeah?
Pull it down.
Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do this and then. Like that, okay?
And then we have a rivet with the keel thing.
So I need a rivet.
Yeah. Oh, that's not the rivet.
Oh no, it's the wrong rivet. This is so cool.
So there's a rivet.
Okay, and this, does it matter which side it comes through?
No, this side.
Go down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we've got a.
I would like to say at this point, he's not going to get a job assembling carabiners.
Is this, am I doing bad for a first time too?
You need.
Let me put it this way. I think we'd be bankrupt.
So you gotta have that. You gotta
Oh, I'm,
over.
all right, hold on. So
So like that.
line up like this, then this just gets kind of partially put in,
Yeah. So
then flip it over and use this to,
hold the thing.
I understand. It's like a spud wrench that I used to use on the towers to line up the holes.
Yeah, and you give it a wiggle,
Yep. And then that's going to get the rivet through.
and you gotta. I'm not kidding. Yeah. And check the action.
Is that okay, Fred?
That's a good job.
All right, how do I finish the rivet now?
You go
On
to
a
another
riveting.
stage.
So it goes to another station. All right, so this was, on a scale of difficulty, this was like a 2, you think?
Yeah,
And,
that's
and what
pretty
is
much
this
it.
one?
That is more.
Can we try it? I want to try. I do want to try. That was our trainer. All right. So I've got this barrel. I've got a metal pusher.
Pusher now. Make sure you line the tail.
With the downward sloping back, yes.
I am going to say you should be wearing false nails at this point. it just adds another level of difficulty.
And then I just saw you twist this.
You've gotta get that key there.
And where does the key go?
Up the top. And then you line it so you get the hole there.
Good Lord, this is difficult. Okay, so I've got this and I lined up the hook with the downward sloping top. And then the spring goes in.
Forget that at the moment. So you
Here. And then that's going to hold that in place.
see if it's like now.
Now I've got my spring and my pusher. And I lined this up on the downward sloping face. And then the spring goes in. Oh, on this side. And is the pusher facing up or down here?
That's fine like that.
Okay.
Get your back
I've got my frame.
and go from the inside. From the inside, not the outside. Okay, you got like a ledge there, so you put the onto the ledge. And then
All right, all right, all right.
you gotta really pull hard because the spring is more difficult.
I've never seen it.
Oh my God. Don't, she's laughing at me, Fred.
I would say don't do this at home.
Okay.
You then turn it. Turn.
Bob, wind the spring.
You've got to twist it.
You need to watch this, mate.
You've got to push it, twist it, and then go there. I think, no, that far.
That far. Okay. And then this goes like this.
And then you turn it over again, and then give it a wiggle.
Just a wee wiggle. I got my own wiggler, all right. Yes!
And then you pull it back. Pull it back because otherwise you'll then.
My God.
Now I think we should watch Denise do one of these in real time.
I definitely would like to.
Action to see the flip.
Denise, I have used so many carabiners that you have probably made with love and care, and I just want you to know how thankful I am. This is incredible. I just put this together. Does this actually get to move on, or are you?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So this is going to be sold to somebody,
Yep. Yeah.
but it's not laser marked with the
No,
serial
it will
number
be.
yet, so I
It will
can't
be.
tell you which one it is.
It's special though.
With love. All right, Denise, I'm going to bring the camera in nice and close on you, the real pro here, and we're just going to get you showing us how this works. Okay, hold on one second. I think it's fitting that the anti-gate carabiner is so hard to make. And what if you put the spring backwards? That seemed like the detail that I wasn't quite sure about.
It won't work.
It won't work. And it feels like the spring could have rotated around while I was doing all that assembly, but no, once it's in there, it's captured. Man, you must have such strong hands. Because that really, my hands were tired from just trying that. Thank you so much for sharing this with us, and thank you for the care and expertise you put into it. It means a lot to a lot of people.